and welcome back to this special edition of Class Cancelled. I'm your host, Peyton Burkheimer.
And I'm Hayden Burkholder. And today we're going to talk about Halloween.
Halloween.
Guess what? It's time for spooky time activities.
Yeah?
Yeah. So what are we going to do?
Well, we have a lot of really great things planned, so let's get into it. So guys, the first thing on our list is to do some scary makeup tutorials with our cosplay expert, Becca Tyler. Hi!
I have to say, I think I'm going to learn the most in this because I have no idea where to start. So you should probably do my makeup first because I need some tips.
Alright, sounds good. Just pick any color, just get started.
Anything you want.
Alright, I think we're gonna go for orange. I'm gonna turn a little bit, so if you wanna just look at me. Oh man, it's already going so well.
You may want to start off with the crayon first, maybe. That I don't know how bright that's gonna be.
Yeah. So we're making an outline right now. Going pretty well. Aiden, how you doing? Feeling good?
Yeah, I'm just excited to see what's going to happen here.
Yeah, so are you excited for Halloween?
Yeah. How about you, Becca?
I'm pretty excited for Halloween. I'm always excited for Halloween.
What is the best Halloween candy?
So my favorite candy of all time,
Yeah.
dark chocolate Kit Kat.
Ooh.
But if I'm going to talk about specifically Halloween,
Yeah.
this one's pretty controversial because not a lot of people like it.
What is it?
I do enjoy candy corn from time to time.
Candy corn.
I also enjoy protecting candy corn.
Candy
I am
Hey!
a candy corn
Gross,
fan.
guys.
No, it's fine.
Well, do you have any tips right now? I was thinking of going in with the crayon.
Yeah, I would definitely go in with like a harsher like outline around around here, and then definitely since like pumpkins kind of have like that little they have like little ridges on them, I would try like to draw like go in with a nice outline and then draw like curves, like there's like the ridges there. My cosplay originally started like I got really into doing Halloween makeup because my family's very into Halloween and the whole holiday behind it, and I've been dressing up for forever. I still do, and that kind of morphed into doing just like, instead of just doing a little bit of Halloween makeup, it morphed into actual characters, and that's how I kind of got into doing cosplay.
Like, you think if I blend it out?
If you blend it blend it out just so it's kind of even, because you see how there's just like little patches of red. Try to blend it so it's just like all one.
That's alright, Hayden. We're getting stuff done.
So I think we can move on to the leaves.
The leaves now? Okay.
Leaves, yeah.
I look good now? Yeah.
Leaves are
Yeah, I think you look great. You look great,
good.
Hayden.
Fill in the. Oh, that looks kind of cute. I like that.
Very nice, very nice.
It's nice that this is like a little bit darker of a green.
Yeah, so that way you can add a little bit of a dimension to it.
Okay, so I'm thinking of moving on to the actual like carving part
Yeah.
on his face, but I want to know your opinion on where you think I should put it.
Okay, so obviously we're gonna want to do like around the eyes. If you're gonna do a tooth that big, you're gonna want to extend. Oh, sorry. Extend this down more than it's doing right there.
So like down that way?
Extend like this way.
So like
a
outline
big-
his whole like.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, so you know some houses have like really bad candy
Yes.
you go to when you were a kid? Well, my least favorite was the bags of like Halloween pretzels. What do you
Really?
even do with
I loved those.
They're just pretzel sticks.
My
like,
least favorite ones was
some
whenever
real
you walked
candy.
up to a house and all they had was like a bowl of Tootsie Rolls.
Oh yeah, that was pretty bad
Like
as
Tootsie
well.
Rolls,
like the different flavored
least
ones.
favorite candy.
Those are just not good. Hayden, what about you?
Honestly, whenever they'd be like, here's some apples, because you don't need candy.
I love apples.
Like, come on. I mean, who's going trick-or-treating for apples?
I
Not
can't
me.
look at you in the eyes.
I think you should probably move on to his nose.
Yeah,
next.
yeah. Okay,
Nice
so how should I
triangle
do
nose.
this?
Oh, yeah.
I would probably, yeah, I would probably just go do just like a triangle.
Do you want to
Most-
fix this? Like, can you fix this? Is it
Maybe.
maybe with his mouth
quite,
or something?
Quite possibly.
I'm turning over the.
What do you need me to do?
Pencil.
Okay, so just fill in his mouth a little bit, just to kind of
Yeah.
get like that.
Thank you.
Shadowy.
When was the last time you carved a pumpkin?
I would say, last time I remember carving a pumpkin when I was like 14.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I think I like have a really specific memory of carving pumpkins with my cousins when we were all really young.
Mm-hmm.
And I think I did just like one of the stencils, you know, where like the adults would like put it in and you just try to carve it out yourself. I think I did like a ghost and there's like a grave in the background or something like that. But
Oh, yeah.
it's pretty fun.
We had lots of those stencils as well. I remember my dad, he was always the really creative one, would always do a bunch of
Like
other stuff.
really go.
Yeah,
all
really
out for
extravagant stuff. He's like super artistic.
it. Mhm.
Okay. I think this is what we're gonna
Can I
go
see?
with.
Can I see?
I think that's what we're gonna go with.
Yep, this is what we're gonna go with. That's right. Alright, Hayden, I think this is as good as it's gonna get.
Alright.
Alright, you ready for the big reveal?
As ready as I'll ever be.
Alright, let's take a
Here
look.
you go, Hayden.
What happened? Why? Why? It's like the Joker gone wrong.
You gotta give Peyton a little credit.
Are you okay, close
30
your eyes
minutes?
and then look at it.
There we go. Wait,
See, it's so beautiful.
wait, I
You
took a
don't
picture with my
understand.
eyes closed.
Oh, that's really cute, guys.
There it is. That's
Not
a
gonna
good
lie,
one.
that's a
That
good
is
one.
cute.
Okay, but listen, okay, now that you have this picture and you can look at it. Look at this contour. Look at these leaves, so cute. Look at the mouth. Listen, you know I had trouble in the mouth. I told you that from the start. Listen, it was not an easy project, but it looks, you know, if you showed up to this for my Halloween party, I would not be upset. I'd be like, wow, look at that really good something on your face.
I think I'm gonna make this my screensaver.
Oh, nice. Hey. I like it.
I think it's perfect.
Yeah.
It's golden.
Good job overall. Thank you so much again, Becca, cosplay expert, for helping us out today. It was a great time. You're obviously so talented at this, even though I'm sorry that
I'd hate to see it before you fixed it. That's all I'm saying.
terrible, the worst.
But thank you
Yeah,
for
Yeah,
helping.
thank you so much.
absolutely.
I'm excited, and we got more fun activities planned.
Yes, definitely. Next up, we got pumpkin carving.
Ooh.
Woo! Let's do it.
All right, so we got all the insides scooped out of here, and we are ready to start carving.
So what are you thinking of carving?
You know, I was thinking, I don't know, I'm just feeling like space themes, like a spaceship or, I don't know, like the moon or something random.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. I think I'm gonna try to do like maybe Zippy and maybe like UA.
Yeah,
Zippy's gonna be a little difficult.
Zippy's a little ambitious.
I'm gonna do my best.
Yeah.
All right, let's get
All right,
started.
yeah, let's do it. Alright, first carve, not so bad. I think that'll.
I need the
Cute.
more aggressive tool. I want to go quick here.
Oh wow. It makes me nervous. Okay. So we got the first cut down. I don't know, I think it looks pretty good. Can I use that tool again?
Yes,
Yeah, that one's popular.
it is. It's very, very helpful.
It only has its redeeming qualities.
So yeah, it's a little sad about the top of the A there, but I think, you know,
Is it
considering
redeemable?
it's still like noticeable. Like you
Yeah.
can still see what it is. It's just
I need to redraw.
a little sad. You're like, oh, they had a good idea, and then they forgot.
Yeah.
You know, you'll learn. With not really having any kind of guideline. This is one where I'm like, man, I wish I had a stencil for it.
Really?
Just because it would be a little
You need to
bit.
make a zippy stencil.
Yeah, you know, all this hard work I'm putting in, maybe it'll help.
Mhm.
Plus, I feel like a lot of people at the university would really like it.
So right now I'm trying to make a planet with like craters. We're gonna see how this circle turns out, because nobody can make a perfect circle in their first try.
You don't think anybody?
No, why?
Like at all?
No.
Well, probably not a perfect circle. Be careful. You can almost cut yourself.
Yeah, really? With these carving knives?
I almost did.
You did?
Yeah, it didn't actually like break the skin or anything, but you know, a little jabby jab to remember.
A little
Hey,
jabby jab
be careful.
on the army
So
arm.
if you guys are out there decide to do any pumpkin carving and you maybe have a way better zippy design than me, just be careful.
Yeah.
You know. We're all out
These
here.
tools are really nice. You know, I think it's a little dangerous just using any knives. Like getting actual pumpkin carving, like specific tools.
Yeah, that
probably
definitely
a good
makes it
idea.
safer because even though they have like a slight serrated edge,
Mm-hmm.
it's duller than, you know, a serrated edge on your typical like you know, kitchen knife or anything of the sort.
Okay, question for both of you.
Yeah.
You can keep torch. On a scale of 1 to 10, how good do you think the other person is?
Well, you made Hayden sound so great whenever you talked about it. I bet his is actually a lot better than mine. Mine's pretty simplistic.
I don't know. Simplicity might have won you this one, Burkhammer, because Zippy's not awful.
Yeah.
But I definitely could have done her better.
So
I think so.
give me some
She
numbers.
deserves much.
Okay,
much
numbers on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd say Hayden's is probably like an 8 or a 9, and mine's probably like a 6.
Okay, see, I'm gonna say on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give mine probably like a 5, because I mean I messed up the A pretty badly.
Really?
Could have fixed that. That would have been better. I didn't have enough forethought with that one. Zippy, I feel like it was a bit ambitious, so I feel like I did well for not knowing anything going into it, and I feel like I could do a much better job this time. So yeah, I'll say a 5. And I know you said yours is simple, but sometimes that's better. I mean, those are sometimes the best pumpkins. So I'm gonna give you solid 7.32.
Nice.
I mean, I just always think there's room for improvement, and you know, every year I can get better. I don't think I could ever do a perfect 10. So.
I don't know. You just need the right pumpkin.
Next question.
Yeah.
Now that you're almost done, any regrets with your decision making here?
You know, I kind of like mine. I think mine's kind of cute. I don't know if I would. Oh, I thought you were trying to sneak a peek at mine. I was like,
No,
nope.
not yet.
I don't know if I have any real regrets. You know, I think mine's pretty cute. You know, maybe I would have done something different. Also, I'm sharing a half of a pumpkin, so I might regret this one I'm carving right now, but we'll see.
I only regret where I messed up on the A. The Zippy I don't feel too bad about. I think that was I think it was a good old college try, to say the least.
What is a good old college try?
What is that phrase called?
Yeah, what is that?
I
No
mean-
one says that.
No, you do say that. That's what happens when you take an exam and you're like, well, I gave it a good old college try.
You know, I feel like days from now, something like that's gonna happen to me, and I'll just think of you and be like, well, I gave it a good old college try, and here I
Yeah.
am.
What is a college try?
Yeah, what's a college
As
try?
opposed to like a
Well,
high school try.
Like
Well,
a
a
regular
college
try.
try is like you want to learn, but if it's like a good old college try, it's like I tried my best, but it just, after how I feel about it, it might not have turned out well. So, you know, you really like, you wanted to do it, you wanted to put yourself out there and try, but it still might not have turned out as well as you wanted it to.
College try.
All right, so are you done?
Yeah,
think so?
yeah, I'd say I'm pretty much done.
All right, do you wanna like turn it
Turn
and look
it.
at each other's?
Yeah. Okay, you ready? Hold on.
Alright.
Let me move
Ready,
some
yep.
verticals over. Okay, you ready?
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
This is
Oh.
so tiny.
Wow!
What is
Hey,
this?
that's awesome. Yours looks good.
Thank you. Yeah, no, I think honestly, I think the zippy nose is cute. Like the bigger one, it's cute. This looks
Yeah,
good. This
yeah.
is like the animated one.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
really tried.
Ooh, the UA, like you can definitely tell what it's saying. I think it looks cool.
Yeah, no, yours is awesome.
thank
Is the center
you.
one, is that a like Saturn? Or like a planet? No, oh, it's a UFO. Like a spaceship. I see. I misinterpreted. I thought you were gonna draw like a rocket.
No.
See, I didn't understand. Now I understand why you said alien.
Yeah.
Alright, then you got like a star.
Yeah. Don't pretend like you know what's going on in mine.
Oh, I can see it. I can see it.
Can you see it now?
The star
Interesting.
here.
I knew exactly what yours was. So.
And there's nothing inside.
Yeah, I know. No, I think it'll look really cute. Should we like do like a?
A nice like display. All right, so I would say we've done some good work on this pumpkin. We
Yeah.
got some awesome carvings. You're adding Saturn, so
Yes, I know.
fulfilling
I wasn't
that dream of
finished with
mine.
it, I know.
But
What's your dream?
the dream is Saturn, obviously. That's what I thought I saw in your spaceship. But I do think it's time to end this episode of Class Canceled.
Probably. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at Class Cancelled and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the University of Akron.
And we'll see you the next time that class is canceled.
Or the next time we're carving pumpkins.
Yeah, next time we're carving pumpkins.
Yeah, right now.